Mileage is a key expense for many sellers. It's tracked separately from other expenses and appears in the other section of your profit and loss report. Note that mileage amounts aren't included in your net profit or loss. They are displayed for reference only. To view or manage mileage, head to Accounting, then click on Mileage. Here, you'll see your mileage entries. You can sort by Roundtrip Miles, mileage expense, date, or description. Use Advanced Search to filter by timeframe or set a custom range. To add mileage manually, click Add. Enter the date, a description, and how many miles you drove. The mileage expense is calculated automatically using the IRS rate for that year. If you have a lot of mileage to enter, you can use the Import button to upload a CSV file. Make sure your file has 3 columns: miles, date, and description. The system will automatically calculate the dollar amount based on the year's rate. To make changes, select one or more entries and click Action on Selected, then Edit. A side panel will open where you can update miles, date, or description. Click Save when you're done. To delete entries, select the entries you would like to delete. Click Action on Selected and choose Delete. You'll be asked to confirm before anything is removed. And that's a quick look at the mileage feature in InventoryLab. Thanks for watching.